Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at how to find the gradient of a line. For example, the question is going to look like something like this on a graph, and we have a line and we're trying to find the gradient of it. So gradient meaning how steep it is, basically. In order to find that, we use this equation, change in y divided by change in x. Y being this axis and x being this axis. So let's have a quick look at one of the examples. So here we have a graph and a line. So in order to find the gradient or how steep this line is, we need to first take 2 points on the line. So let's take this point and this point here. Right, so if we read this, so x-axis first, 0, and y-axis 1. So let's just write that down, 0 and 1. Then the other point is 3 and 7. So let's do 3 and 7. So after you get these points, make sure they are in the line. We plug those numbers into the equation, which is change in y divided by change in x. So we got change in y, so 7 minus the other y value is 1, so minus 1 divided by 3, the x value, 3 minus 0. So if we do this, we get 7 minus 1 is 6, and 3 minus 0 is 3, and 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So the gradient for this line will equal 2. Okay, let's have a look at another example. So let's have a go at this question. It's a bit tricky, trickier than the other question we did, but let's have a go. So the points are already labeled A and B, but in any other scenario you can use any points along this line. Normally a whole number would be nice to calculate, but any point will give you the gradient of the line, but it has to be 2 different points like shown here. So A looks like it's minus 2 and y-axis is 0, so let's write that down, minus 2 and 0. That's for a-axis, and for the b-axis it looks like it's 4 and it's 3. So let's write 4 for x-axis and 3 for the y-axis. So now to find the gradient, we do the change in y divided by change in x. So change in y is 3 minus 0 divided by the change in x, which is 4 minus 2. So 2 minuses equal plus, therefore we have 3 minus 0 is 3 divided by 4 minus 2, so therefore 4 plus 2 equals 6. And we know 3 divided by 6 is a half. So the gradient for this line will equal 1/2, a half. Okay, I hope that cleared up how to find a gradient. If it didn't, rewatch the video. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below, and like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more maths content like this. Thank you guys, and have a great day.